안녕하세요, 헤라키즈입니다. 오늘은 바쁜 일상 속에서 손쉽게 만들 수 있는 계란 요리 2가지 소개해드려요. 요리 초보자도 쉽게 만들 수 있는 실패 없는 계란 요리, 지금부터 시작합니다.
I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the clouds where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told,
drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise a glass to mine, and as we drink, you were your guide. So we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love.
지금까지 시청해주신 여러분 감사합니다. 영상이 조금이라도 도움이 되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 해놓으시면 다음 영상 놓치지 않고 보실 수 있습니다.